I haven't played Cascadia in a while. I've only played twice, and I scored 94 points in Scenario 1. So now I'm going to play Scenario 2 and try to get 80 points. I don't have a focus of what wildlife to go for yet. So I shuffle all the tiles and I take out 43 for the game. Then it's time for the first deal. I decide to take the hawk in the trees. I realize the hawks can score a lot of points if you get a lot of them. And the foxes can score 3 points for each pair around them. So I see that hawk and it's looking kind of tempting. Yeah, I'll get it. I'll add to my grassland. Now I'll put my hawk up there for my first scoring hawks. That's a good 5 points already. Now the bears are looking intriguing. It's 10 points for 3 adjacent bears. At this point, I kind of gave up on salmon and was focusing on hawks and foxes. I'm looking for hawk tiles now. This could have been a bad move, but I felt like foxes this turn. And I keep the wetlands together. And I get me a moose with no real plan. But it is 2 points on its own. Add to the mountains. I'm going for the moose again. Going for my fox multiplier. Continue those mountains. At this point, I'm trying to score the hawks. I'm not sure what I was doing with this tile. What would you do in this one? I decided to go for a moose. Add to the water, of course. Now the moose are 6 points total. Alright, going for my 3 bears. I get myself a nature token. Boom. That's 10 points right there. I'll try to continue my hawk scoring. That'll give me a nature token. I can score another hawk on that tile. I use a token so I can gain a hawk and a hawk tile. I gain a nature token. I have 5 hawks now worth 16 points. I decide to go for more mooses. That'd be another 5 points for moose. I can gain another pair with the fox. There's a pair of bears there. I put that tile there so I could space out the hawks and score more. There's 3 salmons. I wipe and redraw. There's 3 salmons again, so I use my token to clear it because I don't want salmon. The hawk is the only one that's looking good right now. So I take the hawk, and I use a nature token to take the hawk tile. Now I have 6 hawks, worth 20 points. And I get a nature token. Still gaining hawk tiles and using the fox for pairs. Add on to my prairie. What to do? Hawks? That gives me 7 hawks, worth 24 points. Wipe and redraw, too many moves. Those aren't moves, those are elk. That's 9 points for 3. Make that 5 mountains. Alright, that was the end of the game, so now let's see what our score is. Alright, for bears, I got 3 behind, only 1. 10 points for that. And then the elk. So this set is worth 5. That set is worth 9. So that's 14. Nope, I don't have any salmon. My hawks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That would be 24. And then my foxes. Any pairs around the foxes. That one's 3, 6, 9, 12. And my Icelands are, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If there's 7 or more, then I get 2 bonus points. Grass, 1, 2, 3, 4. Plains, 1, 2, 3, 4. Marshes, 1, 2, 3. Water, I guess only 3. There's 1, 2, 3. And our goal was 80 points. Oh, and we got 3 points up there for our tokens. So up here was 60. So that's 60 up there. 10, 19. And then 22. 22. 82. That took a long time. I barely beat that. And I did bad